Guess what time of the day it is? It's Birchbox versus IPSY. The reason why I'm doing these two this month is because I got them two at the same time, and I'm trying to actually put one out on time for you this month. Yay! We'll see if it happens. God, I hope it happens. I'll peek at the Sephora play bag, and if it's a try-on, I'll take off makeup, and if not, we'll see. We'll see. Let's just get into unboxing. I was so hopeful. Nope. I always can get the sides, but never the front one. So now I have to. Whoa. Okay. That did not. I'm like the Hulk over here. Just ripping boxes to shreds. This is a cute box. Oh, it's so pretty. It's very pretty. Yeah, let's just start unboxing. The theme for Birchbox is feed your mind, body, and soul. I'm not going to read this. This is way too much literature for me to read to you. Oh good, it actually says what the products are. For like 5 months, my sheet was wrong, and it was not the products that I was receiving, but were old products that I had received. I'm like, what's wrong, Birchbox? I'm just gonna talk about the bonus item real quick. Yeah, so I got a bonus item. You don't get bonus items every time, but this is the Raw Beauty Green Superfood Powder in Pineapple Coconut. The full size of this is $39. I have seen these on Sephora.com, just so you know. Amp up your energy and metabolism by boosting skin's radiance with powder supplement made from 39 all-natural superfoods. Adds it to 8 ounces of water, milk, or a smoothie. I know I have one that I've never even tried yet that's sitting at my other house, my parents' house, I should say, not my house. And yeah, these haven't tricked me. I'm not sure if I'll like them. That's my only issue, and I don't have a blender to make a smoothie, so I guess one of these days I'll try this out in water. Maybe on camera for you. Maybe. Alright, next item in here, we're just gonna move on through, is the Wander Beauty Catch the Light Highlighter and Glotion. Apply this hydrating liquid that's part of a highlighting duo infused with microfine pearls to give your skin a golden glow. Wear under makeup alone or mix with foundation. Try a little bit out here. Oh, it has like this little thingy. That's good. It's sealed. It's safe. And I opened it now. Oh no. It kind of gave it a sheen. I don't know if you can see that on film. There's like a little bit of a sheen to it. It doesn't really have pigmentation. It does feel hydrating. So it does feel like a glotion, as it was trying to say. Next item in the box, I see the Dr. Lip Miracle Balm for dry lips, luscious lips, and glossy bits. Glossy bits, that just sounds unnatural. This natural multi-purpose formula works to rehydrate skin and lips, soothe sunburns, tame unruly brows, and nourish thirsty cuticles. So, I'm pretty sure this is the product that like used to be marketed towards women and their nipples. I'm pretty sure. Like, I know that there is a lip balm out there that used to be like a nipple cream for nursing mothers, and then it was like, that's so hydrating, and people started like advertising it as like a lip balm. So I wonder if this is it, but I'm intrigued by it. I'll try it out. I don't know if you can tell, but I got some dry ass lips right now, so I will be trying this out here soon for you. I'll let you know my opinion. And then next item in this box is actually a repeat offender for me in my boxes, but considering I get 3 of them, that's kind of difficult at this point. It is the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner, and it is a matte black. I'm gonna go grab my one that's used just in case if like I keep a lot of my samples in random boxes, and sometimes my friends grab them, and so I just want to use the one that I already own. Should be somewhere here. Alright, found it. So as you can see, it is a matte black. It's not like gonna be shiny or anything. Obviously, I I ain't mad at it. It's not my most loved liner I've ever used. This isn't a bad one. I do like this one a lot, so here's to another one. Next item, let's see. I'm like trying to Botanique Fill and Tame Brow Gel in the shade Brunette. I hate plastic wrap like this because it ruins my nails. So this is what the wand looks like. Ooh, that's a big wand. I mean, my brows already have everything in it, but here's to fucking up my makeup look if this is not my shade. It looks to be like a cool toned brown. That looks like it should match my brows. I don't know why I influx every time I say I. It's annoying. Have you heard me talk? Every video I have to edit out like 50,000 ums. Or alright. And so I cut those out because I sound like an idiot. I'll keep that in just so you can see what I mean. Let's move on. But I feel like I will like that brow gel, but I've never even heard of that brand. And then the next item in here is the Way Volume Spray. This is a decent size sample, honestly, for the rest of the samples that I got. Like, this is our largest sample. Like, see, that's like the biggest sample is that Way Volume Spray. I don't love volume sprays, but I will try it out. And I love a good Way product. It is one of my favorite hair care brands, so I ain't mad about that. Moving on to our IPSY. Holy guacamole! Some months, they just do not want you to get to your back. Anything? Oh, nothing else in the bag. I love it when things don't fit because I'm like, yeah, it feels like it's extra, but it's not. Like, I know it goes in the bag, but you know what I mean. Theme of this month is Social Butterfly. The little card looks like this. Fact, life's too short to skip all the fun stuff happening right now. Life's too short and your makeup looks too good to not see that little parenthesis right there. Instead, we challenge you to hear your best self, have your best spring, and RSVP, yes, to everything that comes your way. A new friend request? Yup. Sunday making party with your niece? Random date on a Tuesday? Heck yeah. So, 90s trivia and wine tasting? You're in. Swipe right, check yes, and load up your calendar. You're going to be the one busy bee this month. Luckily, we got your hair, makeup, and mani plan covered. Does that mean there's nail polish in here? Let's get into this bag. This looks interesting. Feel restored, self-warming clay mask, pore opening, deeply cleansing. It looks like it looks like those apple sauce like things that moms give to their kids, but it's a clay mask for your face. I'm so excited for this. I love a good mask, okay? Like, give me a mask any time of day. Next item in here, we have a Steve Laurent blush. And it says Rosé all day. That packaging is just gross. That looks like poop. But that's a pretty color in that poopy packaging. Alright, that is that shade right there. It is a pretty color. I could see myself wearing something like that. It's a little bit more pinky than I tend to go for, but we'll make it work. We'll make it work, 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 work. We're gonna make it work, 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 work. Sorry. I'm bored a lot. So in here, we have a Luna eyeshadow in the shade Spiced Pumpkin. Looks like this. I don't mind Luna products. I'm just like, there was a time where I got 3 of the same Luna highlighter and I'm just like, can you quit sending me the same product in general? So I'm excited that it's not a highlight in the same shade that I own, already 3 times over. So, moving on. Let's see, we got a NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Ibiza. Ibiza? I should know how to say this considering it's a place. But it looks to be quite a pink color. I'm gonna go with this eye look. Maybe I'll put it on here in a second. We'll see. And then, what do we have here? The Pure Lease Coconut Oil and Coffee Sugar Body Scrub. Comes in a size like yay big. I could get like 1 or 2 uses out of this depending on how stingy I am the first time around. You know what, let's try on the lipstick and see if it's a shade I'll wear. Let's do that. It's a bright lipstick. I could, especially with this eye look, pull it off. It's not my favorite shade, but it does make my teeth look super white. Definitely transfers. These are not transfer proof lipsticks, but they are matte. But you could definitely move it around if you like made out with someone. For sure you would have lipstick all over. Don't be kissing no boys or no girls with the lipstick on your face. It's gonna end up everywhere. I do feel like that was like the most perfect lipstick mark I've ever made. And just like that, it's gone. I'm kind of losing it. So my final thoughts on the IPSY versus Birchbox battle. I do not know the last time that this has happened. Da, 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 da. It's Birchbox! What? Birchbox won. I'm astounded right now because like last month I was like, I don't even know if it was okay, February's boxes. I remember I hated every single box. I was like, y'all issues are pissing me off right now. And I almost like canceled one of them. I'm not saying which one because I just picked it to win. But both of these boxes were a lot better, in my opinion, than February's. I can't even remember February's. I'm gonna grab February's. I mixed a couple products and I need to see which ones were which. Now I remember it. See, like this primer mask, I know it came in my IPSY bag and it's like just chilling in here. It's because I empty out my IPSY bags, so I had to like look at each month to tell me what was okay. Yeah, Birchbox won. I'm impressed. And that's all I have for you. Thanks for watching my Birchbox versus IPSY. It was super fun to unbag these and unbox these. But yeah, little Birchie won. It's not like my IPSY was like crap. I still liked it. Like obviously I got super excited about this mask. This blush is pretty. I'll use that. I love a body scrub, so I'm gonna definitely get some use out of that. I was pleased with both bags, so that is an improvement. I'm gonna go take this face off. I'm over this face. Thanks for watching my Birchbox versus IPSY and listening to ramble. I will see you all lovely people in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye. Centered. Ah, yay. Aww. It's always on liquid. I mean,